Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be playing with the NikkieTutorials X Beauty Bay palette again, but this time I have committed to using more vibrant colors. I was gonna say crazy colors, don't want to offend. I have been sitting here for a little while now, looking at the colors, trying to figure out what the frig I want to do. I want to go with like the pinky route. What I cannot decide on really is which shimmer I want to use because I want to use every single one of them. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm just using my Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation Concealer as my base. Oh, yeah, I completely messed up my intro. If you want to see how this look turns out, stick around. And if you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, as per usual, I'm using a totally neutral, for me, shade on my upper lid. I don't know, everything above the crease to my brow bone. So I'm using Basic Trut for that. If you recall from my last video using this palette, I really liked everything I used, but it was more on the neutral side, so today we are experimenting with color. I'm gonna start with Zomer. This is kind of like an orangey, salmony, kind of peachy color. So this is very similar to the neutral colors that I used, where it is pigmented, but it blends super duper easily. That's the word. So first of all, I want to mention that this is a shade. I would probably use this even if I was going with a natural look. I'm not today, but if I was. Now I'm going in with Blend and Snap, which is like the super pink one. Oh, that's really bubblegum pink. Oh boy. Holy smokes. I'm gonna put this on the inner and outer corner and then figure out where I want to go from there. Yeah, that is like a Barbie pink. I'm just carrying it above the crease, blending it into Zomer, the transition shade. I end up looking like a clown. The only people that know about it are on YouTube. I'm gonna take my blending brush. I'm not adding any more product. I'm just blending the edge there. The color is very pigmented. Blends very easily, same as when I worked with the neutrals. I'm just trying to figure out if it is as bold as I want it to be today. Before I add the shimmer, I think I want to figure out what I'm doing under eye. Yeah, yes I do. It always looks like I'm wearing a child's superhero mask when I've done just the under eye concealer. So I think what I'm going to do is take some of the Blend and Snap under my eye, but I'm not going to keep it super clean or super close to the lash line. Well, I am. It is going right up to the lash line, but I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M508, which is kind of a dense smudging brush. I'm gonna use the color Slasher, and I'm gonna put that on along the lash line. Holy... Oops. That went on way more pigmented and messy than I thought it was going to. Back in with this brush to try to blend that into... yeah, that works. Oh, I kind of like the way that that purple is working. Huh. Well, that was a happy little accident. This might change the entire look. So what happened here is that adding that Slasher and mixing it with the Blend and Snap created like a more vibrant purpley, pinky, fuchsia color, which is kind of what I wanted in the first place. So now what we have to do, I'm gonna add somehow, some way, Slasher right up here. I'm just putting that on the outer corner, sort of following the crease first before I blend it. I honestly cannot believe how pigmented the Slasher one is. It's really sweet. I'm putting a little bit more Blend and Snap on this brush and blending. Putting a little bit of Slasher right on the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Pixi by Petra eye pencil in the matte mulberry, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Okay, now for the part that I absolutely cannot decide on. We're gonna do two shimmers. Are we doing two shimmers? Starting with, using my finger, Roxy Catan, which looks like this on my finger. Oh my good god, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, I kind of want to leave it at that, but yeah, I won't. A very small amount right in the center. I'm using the color Pride. That's what it looks like on the finger. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That is insane. Okay, I'm going back in with the Pixie by Petra. Super, super close to the lash line. I'm kind of just dotting it on. I know I keep saying it between the last video and this one, but I don't know how anyone found anything bad to say about this palette. Almost no fallout. The color payoff is intense. The shimmers are like to literally die for. Okay, going in with a really tiny brush, I'm going back into Slasher. And again, I'm just gonna dot the Slasher. I'm going to dot Slasher on my lash line. Alright, I am going to go do my lashes and the rest of my face, and I will be right back. And we're back. This is it, guys. This is the finished look. Yet again, I do not know how people don't like this palette. I can't think of another palette right now that I like as much as I like this one. Whether I'm doing a neutral face or crazy eyes. This is absolutely incredible. The shimmer, if for no other reason, just get it for the shimmers. They are insane. I guess that's it. I guess that's my final opinion on this. I will use this palette again at some point. There are like the blues and greens I want to play with. But for now, for today, thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you found that interesting, or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you were trying to do. And I hope to see you back at some point. Bye!